Hi, welcome to Inspector Prime. I'm Jeff, and in this tutorial, I'm going to run you through the Contact Us form that we offer through Inspector Prime. So basically, we've built a form that you can embed on your website, which will be separate instructions besides this video on how to actually embed that on your website. But what I'm going to show you is what happens when somebody actually fills it out and how it populates within your dashboard. So let's go ahead and get into the system. Okay, so to get down to our Contact Us form, it's down here at the bottom on the left side menu, Contact Us form. And what this is the inputs from all of your Contact Us form inputs from potential clients and customers. Again, I mentioned in the intro, we'll show you how to embed this on your website in a later tutorial, but for now, let me show you what happens when somebody actually fills it out. So here on the dashboard, you can take a look at those responses that are still pending that you need to reach back out. Maybe some folks are in progress. You're maybe building a quote for them or something like that. Completed Contact Us requests and our total submissions. Scrolling down, you can see the actual listings here, or you can click right into Contact Us form listing down lower, in which we have it broken out into a few different views. You can see as I'm clicking through here, you can also break it up into gallery view, Kanban, a calendar for when they get submitted, timeline that again you can manipulate the times that are being displayed, and grid view. So let's go back to list and then we'll click into one of these. So let's just go to a pending one. Check out Christopher Greens. So he submitted something on our website, left his email, phone number, asking if we can inspect a commercial property. Pretty straightforward, right? So then all you need to do as the business owner is reach back out to him at his email address. You can mark it as in progress. So let's say you reach out to him, mark it in progress, and now it moves over into this bin. And then eventually you can mark it as completed when you've run it to ground. So this is a very quick tutorial, again, just how to read the data that's in the interfaces, but yeah, more to follow on how to actually take the form that we've built and put it on your website in a later video. For now, that is all that I have for you. So thank you for watching, and thanks for being an Inspector Prime customer. I'll see you on the next one.